Hi, so what I want to review with you today is how to edit the sale order line. One quick way to do this is to, well, first off, one requirement in order to do this is to go into the settings application and make sure you turn on developer mode. You'll be able to indicate that developer mode is on with the bug icon up here. This puts you in a developer mode, which gives you more access to different technical stuff, such as all the database models, which you'll see technical database structure models, can open them all up. So to explain that, go into the sales application, look at your quote or sale order. You'll see down here, if you hover over this, it will actually tell you right up here, this relation is, this is the sale order line, is the actual model of this particular aspect of this model. The model of the sale order is different. You always see the name of the model of the document you're looking at up here in the URL. But and you hover over customer, you'll see that it's part of, this is related to the res.partner model, which if you look, I can't scroll over it, but you'll see relation res.partner. Object it's on is the sale.order. So this is getting a little bit more technical, but to edit this from a high level, you got to edit the sale order line, not the sale order. So first and foremost, we have to go to the model. If we type in sale.order.line, it'll show us this is the model. And if you open it, it shows us all the fields that are related to this particular model, such as the product unit of measure, the product ID, the product total, product unit price. So these are the technical names of the fields on the sale.order.line, or that are related to it. And these are all of the actual fields as they're displayed on the record itself from a user perspective. So what we need to do here is, if we do a control search and we search, we want to add lot serial number. So you'll see there are no lot serial numbers. So in order to add the lot serial, we need to understand what the model is for the lot serial number. So in order to do that, you do lot, just type in, it's stock.production actually. It's stock.production.lot will show you the model name is lot serial. So we're going to need to add a field on the sale.order.line that relates back to this model. This is the beauty of a relational database. It allows you to associate one field with the one model on different models, essentially. So what we'll do quickly is go to sale.order.line, access it here. We want to edit, go down, add an item. We'll create something called x lot underscore ID, field name, lot serial, field type. This is going to be a many to one. There can be many lot serials related to one sale order here. And then object relation is where I actually type in stock.production.lot. And you can get into a whole bunch of stuff back here related to, base properties. This is a required field, read only, related field. So for instance, if I sell a stock.production.lot assigned to a sale order line, and I confirm that, and I want it to go, if I want this related field, I create this here, not on the sale.order.line ID, but on the delivery ID, which I forget the name of that model, I'll have to look it up. But you can actually create related fields. So I can, when I sell something on the sale order line, I can have it automatically populate on the delivery order, for instance, something like that. But to keep it simple, we have lot ID. You're going to want to remember that, x underscore lot underscore ID. Now you save this, it adds it to the database. And in order to actually add that to the UI, you have to do that from the front end in Odoo. Well, not really from the front end, but you'll access it from the front end. So you'll go to your record, you'll go to the debug, go to edit form view, access this, and it shows you all the source code lying in the background. You're going to want to, I just know from experience, but you'll be able to see all the fields here. We're going to look, this is, oops. So down here is the sale order lines. You'll see the string. Not to get too into detail, but field name is, you can see all the different fields here, and you can choose a field and add it after that field. First, make it simple, copy, paste, and put that new name, x lot ID, here. Save it, adds it to the interface just like that. And there's your lot serial ID, and it will relate back to the model. It'll give you all that whole database. And again, it'll function. You can create and edit it right on the fly, just like that. So that's how that works. Be careful when doing this sort of stuff, because one sleight of hand move can have far-reaching implications in terms of being able to, getting the database to work correctly. So it is very sensitive, especially with Studio, because when you add it to, when you add it via Studio, it impacts views, and you have to then go back into the actual database itself. Cell order align, for instance, cell order align, and you'll see up here there's all sorts of different views that you can edit it in. So, search view, tree view, all that kind of stuff. You'll see Odoo also automatically incorporates the, actually I don't think it will, because it'll search the, it doesn't search the cell order line when you're filtering through the cell order. So you'll have to add that to a cell order view, technical stuff like that. Okay, so I hope that helps you get an idea of how to add that. Should you have any additional questions, please let me know. Thanks.